Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
There have been a great deal of endeavors to make the ideal move to procure application, yet up to this point, none generally have figured out how to break into the standard. Stepn, a Web3 running application with gaming and social components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates evolving that. Stepn utilizes a double symbolic framework. The first, Green Satoshi Token, or GST, is a utility game token, and the subsequent one, Green Metaverse Token, or GMT, fundamentally is an administration token. The last option is the digital currency we will be checking out in this cost figure. If it's not too much trouble, note that our GMT token cost expectation doesn't comprise venture guidance in a significant manner. Kindly consistently do your own examination prior to putting resources into any cryptographic money, which is genuinely huge. What is Green Metaverse Token? Green Metaverse Token, GMT, is the administration badge of a wellness application called Stepn, or so they thought. Its principal objective is to energize a solid way of life and advance eco-benevolence. The application permits clients to procure compensations for moving around outside when they prepare their NFT tennis shoes. At the hour of composing, it was one of the most famous wellness applications on both Google Play and the App Store. Stepn offers a truly entire large number of highlights that in every practical sense, are pointed toward giving a consistent encounter to both crypto specialists and novices. The application contains a whole biological system of digital money-related items that will permit novices to draw on with Stepn without downloading any extra applications. There is an unconstructed wallet, a commercial center, a trade administration, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Furthermore, what separates Stepn is its attention on intuitiveness and in-application gamification. For instance, clients can step up their NFT shoes and mint shoes. There are additionally numerous social intuitiveness choices. The GMT essentially token is chiefly utilized for administration purposes inside the Stepn application. It can likewise be scorched to get to certain highlights like tennis shoe updates. At last, it is likewise used to decide on choices concerning the conveyance of marking prizes in an unobtrusive manner. Who founded Stepn? Stepn was helped to establish by Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, which is very critical. The especially previous is a deep-rooted game engineer, while the last option generally is a crypto private backer and business visionary. The venture has a vigorous group loaded with industry veterans and experts and has collaborated with probably the greatest players in the crypto business, similar to Binance. GMT Historical Price Analysis. As GMT is as yet a moderately new digital currency, it's challenging to foresee the future value patterns of this token. In any case, taking a gander at verifiable information can give us some knowledge into how GMT might act from now on, which is genuinely critical. In light of past execution, we can for the most part expect that the cost of GMT will keep on ascending over the long haul as additional clients start utilizing this stage. The GMT token has proactively had a couple highs and lows since its IDO in March 2022. And its market cap is at present found solidly inside the main 100 on CMC. The cost of the GMT really token has crested at $4.11, or so they thought. Stepn Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Stepn costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Stepn will be $1.85. The greatest level that the GMT cost can reach is $2.10. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.92. Stepn Price Prediction August 2022. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Stepn and their variances during the earlier years in an unpretentious manner. It is expected that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $1.60, while its most extreme can reach $1.78 in a significant manner. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.67. Stepn Price Prediction September 2022. In light of the examination of the expenses of Stepn by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least GMT costs in every practical sense, are normal in 2026, $1.85 and $1.68, which is genuinely huge. By and large, it will basically be exchanged at $1.74. Stepn price prediction October 2022. Incredibly, crypto specialists are continually investigating the variances of Stepn. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical GMT cost will be around $1.81. It could drop to at least $1.75, yet it actually could reach $1.93 all through 2027, or so they thought. Stepn price prediction November 2022. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready gauges at the cost of Stepn. It is assessed that GMT will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.79 and $2.01 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.86 during the year. Stepn price prediction of December 2022. Cryptographic money examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the Stepn's cost. The year 2029 not entirely set in stone by the most extreme GMT cost of $2.10. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $1.85. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost basically is $1.92. Stepn price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Stepn in earlier years, it certainly is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Stepn will be around $2.71, in spite of mainstream thinking. The greatest expected GMT cost may truly be around $3.28. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $2.79 in 2023. Stepn price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Stepn, in 2024, GMT in a real sense is supposed to have the accompanying sort of least and most extreme costs, about $4.10 and $4.65, separately in an unpretentious way basically. The typical expected exchanging cost is $4.21. Stepn price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Stepn and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $6.07, while its greatest can in a real sense reach $7.16. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $6.24. Stepn price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Stepn by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme